Hey, it's Eitan. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm in the kitchen with my pets, Mr. Ernie and Mr. Cardi over here. As you can see, the two of them are adorably cute, and they always come around the kitchen and be like, Eitan, what are you cooking? I have some. Well, today the answer is yes. Today I am cooking food for both Mr. Ernie and Mr. Cardi, and as you can see, Cardi is not thrilled about being picked up. He feels disrespected, but it's okay. These little men are about to go down. You guys can go scurry away, have fun roaming the apartment, and I'm gonna get cooking. For Ernie, I'll be making him peanut butter pup cake. So, you know, Mr. Ernie loves to eat, and I got Ernie a few months ago. He was a rescue, and he loves to eat, just like his father. So, over here we have just some pumpkin puree. I'm gonna add some peanut butter. Now, when cooking for your pets, it's really important to use just natural ingredients, no extra sweeteners. They want them to be healthy. So we're gonna add a little bit of oil into here after our applesauce, and we're gonna crack in an egg. Now, Ernie was a rescue, and he was not potty trained when we got him. So we've been starting to work on getting Ernie potty trained because he thinks his whole apartment is his toilet, and it is not. So he's cute, but also he poops a lot. Now we are going to add in some all-purpose flour, followed by some baking soda. And the thing about these pup cakes is I think I might like eating them also. I mean, all the ingredients in here are ingredients I like. There's obviously not sugar or added sugar. There's not salt, because as a dog, he doesn't need that. Spray your pan, scoop, and plop. This honestly smells delicious, I'm not gonna lie. I fully wanna eat this right now. Now we're gonna pop these bad boys in the oven at 350 for 12 minutes. And I mean, I'm pretty certain my kitchen's gonna just fill up with a delicious smell of peanut butter, and I am not mad about that. I'm gonna do a little cleanup. These will pop these out of the oven, and meanwhile, I'm gonna go play with Ernie. All right, little man, while it's baking, would you like some treats? Should we practice some of the training? No, we're not gonna go to the bag of treats. Ready? Touch. Good boy! Yes. No, we're trying to train Ernie. Hopefully get him to stop peeing everywhere. Right? We'd have to clean the floor after this. Are you ready to have some high quality fresh baked treats, or are you only gonna eat your freeze-dried chicken? Freeze-dried chicken. Delicious? I think Ernie knows something's up. He's been waiting by the oven. I mean, this entire kitchen smells delicious. Let's take these out straight from here. And I mean, look at that. I wish you could smell what it smells like in my kitchen. While these cool, I'm just gonna let them cool in here, then transfer to a baking sheet. Meanwhile, let's make Cardi Bernath a super gourmet tuna for dinner. It's Mr. Cardigan's turn, and I'm cooking Cardi a fancy bougie meal over here. We have a nice slab of tuna, one of Cardi's favorites. We have some rice, and we have 3 little green beans, and we're gonna make a gourmet meal with that. So to start off, we're gonna cook some rice. So I'm just going to take my pot, I'm going to add in our rice straight in there, 1/4 a cup, followed by 1/4 a cup of water. I'm just gonna cook this on the lowest flame possible just to let that simmer. Meanwhile, we're going to blanch our little green beans. Forgot how to speak. We have very little pieces of green bean over here, fit for a king like Cardi. See, the difference between a dog and a cat is a dog loves you. A dog thinks you're the most special thing in the entire universe, that you are the universe. And to a cat, you're simply their butler. Okay, our water's boiling. Plop the green beans in there, and we literally want to do this for 10 seconds? 15 seconds? Not even. Straight into the ice bath to stop the cooking process. If you're enjoying this video, might I recommend you pre-order my debut cookbook, Eitan Eats the World. Yes, that's right, I wrote a cookbook. It is full of 85 of my favorite comfort food recipes that I cannot wait to share from my kitchen to yours. It's available for pre-order now on EitanEatsTheWorld.com and everywhere books are sold. We're talking Amazon, we're talking Barnes & Noble. Anywhere you buy books, Eitan Eats the World. Let's do the tuna, the part I'm personally most excited for. Over here, I have a nice large tuna steak. And now this would be great to sear up. I'd maybe coat this in sesame seeds. I would crave things like different flavors from Asian cuisine, definitely some miso, soy sauce, all those flavors. But no, Cardi doesn't appreciate it. So we're just going to slice Cardi a very thin steak. Let's heat up our little pan on a nice medium flame. We're gonna add in just a little bit of our vegetable oil to get the bottom coated, and we're just gonna sear these. That is literally All we're gonna do, grab our pieces of tuna, place them in there. Ooh, listen to that sear. Cardi, can you hear it? He's laying down on the floor. So hopefully he can appreciate this, although appreciation is not in Cardi's vocabulary. You might think if you walk in here I was cooking for a human, but I'm cooking for a bratty cat and a very excited dog. Ernie has been waiting here for his food. Are you excited to eat? That's a yes. And let's just flip these bad boys. Ooh, look at that sear. Only the best for Mr. Cardi. As a proud human, I would eat this. Just putting it out there. Are you enjoying this? Do you have any thoughts? You just want food. Same. Let's grab our rice, and I'm just going to place it straight into here. This is just a little bowl. Quickly place in the fridge. We're just gonna chill this in the fridge for a few minutes. Meanwhile, let's grab our plate, which I conveniently have right here. So my strategy is I'm gonna do a mound of rice here, a piece of tuna leading on top of it, and then I'm gonna use my little handy dandy tweezers and just gonna tweeze on the little green beans, and that's my game plan. Grab the rice. When you're plating fancy food, you want to be gentle. You know, I usually don't do fancily plated food. It's just not my personal style, but I will do anything for Cardi. Gentle remove. Oh, look at that, look at that, look at that. Wow. I've decided for some reason this has turned into ASMR. We're going to take our tuna, feeling like giving him this little piece. I've committed to using these, and I don't care how many attempts it takes. Just gonna angle it right on there. Looking good. Let's take some of our little green beans, just dry those. Grab the tweezers. I'm gonna be very careful in how we do this. One there, another one there. Please be quiet, I'm trying to do this. That's it. The plating has commenced. It might not look like much to you, but in fancy restaurants, they would charge at least $60 for this. Now, I have everything ready. We have our pup cakes here. We have our Cardi food here. It is time to gather Cardi and Ernie. I've gathered the troops, and as you can hear, Cardi is not thrilled about his appearance in this video. So it's eating time. Cardi has left the chat. Mr. Ernie, would you like to eat maybe? Look, Cardi, look, I made you a little pup fin. Look at that. Wait, a pup fin? I just gave him a new name. Well, Cardi might be cranky, but Ernie is simply loving this. Should I maybe open this for you so you can take a bite? You know you can bite it. Why don't we just break it open? Oh, there we go, we're going for it. Oh! Ernie approves this pup cake. Cardi, you gotta try your food. Cardi, I know you're the, look, tuna! Cardi, look, it's tuna. Cardi, caught again. Cardi, look, you love tuna. Cardi, any other day you'd eat this. Look, it's tuna time. Cardi lacks the ability to appreciate anything I do for him. You want to eat Cardi's food because he's ungrateful? Like a little bit of tuna. Yes, he would. All right, whoa, little man. Okay, would you come back again to Eitan's kitchen and eat food? I will take that lick of the lips as a yes. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you did, be sure to hit the like button. Comment down below, do you have any pets? Do you want a pet? What is your favorite type of animal? I would love to hear. And if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe to just watch more videos. If you want to do that, click the bell notification so you're notified every time I post a video, and follow me on all the socials at Eitan. Ernie, shall we go maybe for a walk? I'll take that as a yes. Not gonna lie, this smells so good I must try it. So let's rip it open. I mean, tastes perfectly fine. A little bland. I could use some more sugar. Other than that, it's perfect for dogs and humans.